were rotting out drains a lot in the kitchens. They were constantly backing up. The urinals would cake up with calcium or, whatever it is. It's very frustrating. You want to do the best. You want to have presentable facilities for the community, for the students, for the staff. Our maintenance staff is constantly being called. It's very frustrating. Hi, my name is George Lambesis. I work at Berwyn South School District 100. I am the Director of Buildings and Grounds, and I've been doing that for 11 years. I've been with the district for 25 years. So way back, like in 2000, State Chemical came and gave us a demo when I was a custodian. And I remember Gino. Lo and behold, about 13 years later, Gino came to see me, and I had remembered that you had some really awesome stainless steel cleaner. We started ordering some of that. And they asked us, just like you asked me, what issues do you have? What do you have, our drains? Well, hey, we have this great product. It's an enzyme. He explained it all to me, how it works. And there's a pump, and just pumps a little bit of that enzyme out, periodically, and it keeps the grease traps clean. Before that, we had a grease trap that's loaded with grease, and it had never been cleaned out. We had it cleaned out, and then we were introduced to the drain program. We started purchasing salt, the shut your trap, for our drains in the winter, because we tell our custodians, make sure those drains are filled in the winter, the floor drains, because with the heat being on, it evaporates, and this kind of takes a little burden off of them checking it as frequently as they would. When they're busy with other things, we know that those traps have water in them. We have 2 kitchens, one at each middle school, and we haven't had a problem with the drains in the kitchens since. I think right away when the first time Gino courted us, he's just such a positive guy. He's a really good guy to work with, and then when he passed the torch along, lo and behold, we have Alex, and he's just great. He checks on us all the time, lets us know if there's any deals on anything. We've had issues like in the winter where we get a pothole that we need to patch real quick, or cement that chipped or something due to the weather, and Alex, oh, we have this product, and it really helps us out in a pinch. You have a lot of things that we can't get from other companies, which I really appreciate that. And they're just a phone call away, and it's not even that. He checks on us quite frequently, so we really appreciate working with State. He kind of quietly just does it, switches the buckets out, switches the batteries, checks the pumps, make sure everything's working properly. He just really quietly just does what he does, and we don't have any complaints.
We have 24/7 pumps in 2 of their middle schools that manage the grease issues they've been having. In addition to that, I do pour programs where I come in on summer and winter breaks and pour salt, shut your trap, and grease be gone into the urinal, floor drains, and art room drains to help those drains continue to flow smoothly. Just talking with our rep about what our challenges are. Hey, we got this product, why don't you give it a try? They haven't had a problem. We keep getting introduced to new products, and they're quality products. It's one of the worst things that you get a call in the middle of the night, hey, we got this bathroom flooding out, or you get a call first thing in the morning from the food service staff that, hey, our sink isn't going down, there's water all over the floor. We don't have that anymore. So that's really one of the great things about your company. It's a great company, good representatives, quality product. They stand behind what they tell you they're going to do. I would have done it sooner.
Visit www.stateindustrial.com to determine if State Chemical would be the right fit for your facility. State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.